Hi everyone, this is Stacy and welcome to my channel. Please do not forget to like, share, and subscribe. For today, I'm here in my veranda again to give you an update on what I have done here. So, as you would see in the video, some of my Astrophytum Asterias has flowers. So this one is yellow and it's full of bloom. So time check, it's already 4:50 in the afternoon. So I seldom take video in the afternoon. It so happened that I'm free, so I was able to capture video today in the afternoon. So this one doesn't full bloom yet, but I think it's a different color. And this one already bloomed, but it blooms already because it's afternoon already. So maybe around 12 to 2 they open, but unfortunately I was not able to capture it because I was too busy doing something. And if you would notice also, my Astrophytum Asterias and the Kabutos or Super Kabuto was trepatted in a round or circle pot, which is bigger than the square pot which were they potted before. So before they were only potted in a, I think, 3x3 square pot, and some are like this size was potted in a 2.75 inches a square pot, plastic one. It's actually a propagation. So what I did is I transferred them and repot it again, so to make some more room for them to grow. As you can see, there's no top dressing yet because I have just received my top dressing today. So below, this was the old pot, the square 3x3, and this was the new pot that where I repotted my bigger Astrophytum Asterias, and the small one I potted in a 3x3. So here are my Astrophytum Asterias that I repotted this week. So since there's space, I decided to expose also some of my other cactus that was put in a black rack here also in the front area in a full sun. So I just place it here to fill up this second layer of this rack, because if I will not fill it up, it will fall. So the flowers is so nice. So maybe I'll take a video tomorrow if it will bloom again. I hope so. So in the third layer of this rack, the propagation pots that we had, so I just transfer it in the third layer. So besides this rack, I also added a new rack. Yes, I bought a new one. So this rack, I bought it for $899 in Lazada. If you're interested to know what shop in Lazada, I'm willing to share it with you. Just comment down below if you're interested so I can flex or share it next time. So I have here a new propagation of my purple haze. It's cutting. I think this is Sedum clavatum. Another Sedum clavatum. So this is cutting. It doesn't have yet roots. Look. But I exposed it already to the veranda area because I don't have enough space to accommodate it in my garage area. So I think that will be okay here because there's no rain coming according to the weather forecast. So I'm hoping there will be none. It's okay if it's only a drizzle, but when it's full rain, they might get stem rot. So let's see. These are Arun Pay that was cuttings also. Let's check if there are roots. So there's still no roots. So I just potted it or cut it 2 days ago. I think Monday. Yeah. And this one is the cheesecake. And I have here a rose plant, I think, and purple delight. So there's 2 more pots to be placed here, but I haven't think of what to propagate, and I'm still looking for white pots like this. So for the white pots, just like what I have mentioned, I bought it in Unitop. It's not a sponsored video. Even the black sand is not a sponsored one, so I'm just sharing where you could buy this kind of pots if you are interested too. So this is how it look like. So this one, this is how the Astrophytum Asterias rock look like. So it's much neat. So let's go to the, so beside it there's another rock. I have already shared that to you before, and this is my sharing last Monday. So if you haven't watched my video last Monday, please do share my video or watch my video last Monday. You will learn something new there, because I've shared a lot of things about my succulents on how do I repot it and propagate it. So aside from the 2 rocks, this is my other sharing for today. So sorry for the noise of the dogs. So I have repotted all the pots here. So I just going to give you an overview. If you would notice, I have not yet put black sand because I just received the black sand. So this is how it look like when the pot of succulents, or this is how it look like when the pot of the succulent doesn't have a top dressing. So you will really see the rice hull there, and eventually if the house bird will play on it, you will definitely get messed. They will really get messed, and they will uproot my succulents. So this is also the other pots that I have picked. So most of them doesn't have black sand. So as like what I have said, that I have to pause the video because of the dogs. They're too noisy. So there are lots of dogs passing by also with their owner, of course. So if you would notice, just like what I have said, I have repotted all of them. Most of them I have cut the stem and trimmed the roots and pot it there. So right now they don't have top dressing yet, but I'm planning to put maybe tomorrow or later when I have time. So on the other rack beside this rack, so I have here the aloes. So I have repotted all the aloes too. So I'm so sorry about the noise, guys. That's why I hate taking videos in the afternoon. It's because it's too noisy here in my area. Motorcycles, dogs, and everything. It's so hard. So I don't have enough time to voice over and edit, but I'm really glad and I'm really having fun of sharing my plants here in my veranda area. So I hope you just understand the situation and bear with me. So here are my aloes which I have repotted. So I just softened the soil and remove the weeds. I trim the roots to improve more fruit. So some of them I have collected the babies and potted in a propagation pot which is 3 by 3 in size. So for now, that's my update. So I'll just be giving you a more detailed update after I have put top dressing on each of the pots. So for now, this is on my update for now. So bye for now. See you on my next video. Bye bye. God bless us all. I'm really sorry for the noise, guys. So if you do like my video today, please do share my video to your family, friends, and relatives. Bye for now. See you on my next video. See you on Monday, I think. Yes, Monday. Bye bye, guys. And happy gardening, everyone. God bless us all. Don't forget to share my video and hit the like button if you do like my video for today. Bye-bye. Take care.